Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove space between words in MS Word. In Microsoft Word, removing or adjusting the spacing between words is usually done through the Find and Replace tool or the Found setting, depending on whether you want to delete spaces entirely or just tighten the gap. If you want the words to be closer together without actually deleting the space character, you can adjust the kerning. For this you need to highlight the text by pressing Ctrl A and now press Ctrl D to open the font dialog box. Make sure you are in the Advanced tab. Under the character spacing, click on this scale and select it to 100%, and in the spacing you need to click on this arrow and click the normal, and on the right side box you need to adjust the spacing to 1 pt and position should be the normal, and now click OK to proceed. And here you can see that you can decrease the font size to 12 to make it more professional. So this is the simplest way you can remove space between words in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.